Hey, what's going on, everybody? Are you ready to start making some extra money on the side? Do you want the ability to scale that up just as big as you would like to so that you can have extra money to pay bills, to live a better lifestyle, or maybe just to not be broke again? If that's you, then you're at the right place, because that's what I'm going to be talking about right now. It's called selling on Amazon. And yes, it works. It's a proven system. I'm going to show you how you can be doing it, how you can get started. It's easy. The entry barrier is low. There's plenty of room for growth. In fact, there's never been a better time to get started. You need to get started now if you want to start making deals and making extra money. And as you can see from the background behind me, today I was at Dollar General doing what's called retail arbitrage. If you don't know what that is, that's where you go to a retail store and you buy products that you can turn right around and sell for retail on Amazon. It does work. There's plenty of room for you there. And you can get started using something that everybody has. It's called a cell phone. I'm going to show you in this video. It's going to be very quick. I'm going to show you how to do it. You can get started right now. So let's get right into it. This is what to sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? What to sell on Amazon? This is Horace, and I'm doing some retail arbitrage. I'm going to run in here. If you can see, I'm at the little Dollar General in my little town, and I'm going to run in and see what we can find. And I'm gonna do something a little different this time. I normally kind of go in and then cut back to the parking lot, and you don't see what I'm doing inside. But one of my subscribers, Dub Love, you know who you are, he left a comment saying, hey, one thing that's possibly missing is me going inside and showing you guys exactly what I'm doing when I walk in there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Hang tough. Let's go in. So here you can see Head and Shoulders twin pack shampoo and conditioner. What you can do, Amazon has a free app that you can download. See that right there where my thumb is? You can come right out to and see, you can take a picture. Actually, the app takes a picture of the product. But if that's not working, you can cancel that. And if you can find, there's a barcode, what you could do, you can scan the barcode. See, what you can do is just scan a product, and then right there you can see sales rank on that is good. Then from there you can see what your net, where your gross proceeds would be. See, and then from right there you can see it's selling for $34.97. Okay, guys, so what ended up happening is I ended up not being able to really film the way I wanted to inside, because it's kind of weird when you're in there and you're doing this. You kind of really don't want to be talking the way especially the way I yak, because people get nosy, and you just don't want to draw that unnecessary attention because people wouldn't understand. But anyway, you know what? There's still a way to do it. Like, watch what I do here. We're gonna look at a few of the products that I got. Not that, but I tell you what, this coffee
But that was a real good deal. At least we'll see why. Now, what I actually do while I'm in there, I use an app. If you look at my phone here, you see that app that says Amazon Seller, right where my thumb is. If you click on that, take you to your seller account, and then all you have to do is go to add a product. And the way the system works, it'll actually take a picture of the product. Let me see if I can get it to work. It may not. If it doesn't, I'll show you the alternative way. But you see that little camera icon? If you press on that, now it's actually scanning. And you see how now it's working. So it's scanned, and now you got to make sure you got the right canister. That's a 10.5 ounce canister. That's not the right one. We got a much bigger one than that. So what we would do, I would come back out. I would go, let's see, where is it? No, I'd come back out to the home page. I'd come down to add a product, and I'd say you could go from history, wherever as long as you could get to that barcode. You see where that barcode is, right where my thumb is? If you press that, then you can scan the barcode, and then generally you'll get the exact product. So you hit it, and now it's ready, and you just get the barcode into the frame like so. And now see how you have that 36.8 ounce canister, and then if we look here, it's the 36.8 ounce canister. So the first thing I'm looking at is the rank. Now you got a 72,000. Wait, hold on a second. You got 72,000, and then you got 19. But it looks like the 72,000, it's selling for $34.97, whereas the other listing, it starts at $11.13. So we would want to take this one. See, that's a perfect example of what you want to consider. Now, if you want to look at your competition on that, you can click there, and you see there's somebody selling it for $34.97. He's at the FBA. The other guy is just a merchant fulfilled. You want to see how much you're going to make, where it says gross proceeds. Click on that. And that, remember, you had the one guy selling for $34.97. Now, shipping to Amazon typically won't cost me $1.50, but for whatever reason lately, my shipping costs have been getting a little higher, and I think it's because of the weight. It's starting to get me, but still, you're not gonna beat getting it in for $1.50. You can work on those margins. And you see, if you look at my receipt, that Maxwell house, it was actually on sale, $6.95. So with the $6.95 in there, you see our profit is $14.87 a can. And needless to say, I got every can that they had. So now, if we move on to something else, these Reese's Puffs, same deal. If, let's see, right there, you see your scanner, hit that, get your barcode in there, like so, and now, there it is. Now, I don't see, oh yeah, the rank on that is on the high side. Typically, I wouldn't want to go that high, but when you start to get experienced, you'll know when to take a chance on that. Now these were selling for like, I think $2 a piece. We'll look at the receipt, but yeah, because that's a 2-pack. If you notice, that's a 2-pack bundle. But look at, no FBA offers, okay? You got people selling these. You got 2 people selling it for 15, almost 16 bucks. And if you want to see what you're going to make, click the proceeds. And let me fill this out real quick. I'm going to say $1.50 to get the bundle in. And let's see if I can find. Actually, no. The Reese's Puffs were $1 each, so it's going to cost, for a bundle, cost us $2. And so we make $6.73 a bundle, and we will be the only FBA sellers. So this is why I say, you know, going to the dollar store is a good thing. So we'll look at one more, guys. This is Pringles Wavy. Now pay attention to this one, because this is a brand that's restricted. So watch what I do here. Gonna go back. I wanna go back. Hit the scan button. Get the barcode in there. Now look at what's coming up here. You see where one of them says requires approval. Then you see one that does not, and that's a pack of 2. And what do we see here? You got 2 guys selling it FBA. Let's see what they're doing. You got a guy selling it FBA 1136. Then you got another 1136. Oh, baby, there's room for you. I don't see a rank on there, but I know Pringles sell. That you ain't even got to worry about that. But let's see. Then you got. So we paid $1.50 each. So then $3 is what it cost us. So $1.50 is what I'm putting as far as cost to get it in. $3. And so, let's see if I can get rid of that. We make $1.19 a bundle. If it cost us $1.50, if things are going right, we make $2 because it only cost me like 50 cents to get it in. But guys, sorry I couldn't do the filming while I was in there, but hopefully you still get the gist of it. Whether I'm in the car scanning it just to demonstrate, or whether I'm actually showing you at the shelves, it's the same thing. And think about that. That means you could be at home in your house using this app to scan and learn about what you could be making money on. You know, you can scan anywhere. The app is free. You have to have an Amazon account to activate it, but it's free if you just go to the App Store, whatever, or the Google Play Store, whatever you call it. I'm going to run down to the other dollar store, because we got another one a couple miles up the road, and I'm going to pick up all the coffee they got as well. So I'll see you guys later.
Okay guys, that's going to wrap up this video. It was real quick, brief, just to show you how you can use your phone. Like I said, everybody has one. You can be taking advantage of the deals. There's nothing hard about this. There's nothing hard about it. You see just how easy it is to get started. Now, you will need to understand ranking. So when you're looking at the rank, you want to try to be no lower than the 5% percentile as far as how quick items are selling. If you don't know, you don't recognize the number, the lower the number, the better, the more popular the item is, the quicker it's going to sell. You can go to www.cleartheshelf.com. Jim put that up there for them so that they can see it. If I didn't say it exactly right, but should be cleartheshelf.com, and right there you can go and look at their chart so that you can see the category that you're in and the sales rank and how that corresponds. Guys, it's so easy to get started. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when we come out with more content. Sign up for the free leads. It's so easy. Go to onlineinternetprofits.com and get that. I don't always have a chance to give the free leads because I'm just like you. I work a regular job. You've seen the videos of me in a truck. You've seen the videos of me driving a forklift on the docks. I'm working, so I can only do so much talking about the business. I have to do the majority working the business, but I want to help you, so I'm going to do everything that I can. So go ahead and get signed up, and I'll see you on the next video. We'll be talking about fourth quarter. That's going to be so exciting, man. There is so much excitement and so much opportunity in the fourth quarter because people just go bananas. You can sell so much at ridiculous prices, and I mean, people are just eating it up. So we'll get into that on the next video. This is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm Horace, and I'm out.
Oh, yeah.